Hey everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review, episode 101. Well, a lot of episodes. Well, it's beginning of the year. I see a lot of people disappointed about the market. I don't know why, but that's the sentiment. I got two calls this week that they want to give up. Up to you, people. Hey BJ, hey Christian, hey Katalin, hey Michael. 101 episodes. I think the best is to start with a weekly chart on Bitcoin to see where we are and what we need to do. And then we can go for some trade ideas, I think that's the best approach we can have. Hey Christian. So, Bitcoin on weekly chart. We still have 8 hours until the candle will close on weekly, but you can see, not bad, not terrible, not the best chart. We are still fighting 100k on weekly. We are where we should be, in my opinion. Let's zoom out a little bit. So in my opinion, we are exactly where we should be. If I'll put this one and if I'll zoom even more, on weekly you can see here, we are exactly where we're supposed to be. We'll correct, we'll stay here, but I think overall we should push higher. Look what happened last time. Yeah, we accepted above this green line. Well, this this moving average is sitting now at 138, 140k. So if the same scenario will repeat, we have to go a lot higher on Bitcoin. It's possible? Well, you tell me if it's possible. 2 years ago, we had below 20k Bitcoin, and now we are sitting at 100. I think from this level, another double is possible on Bitcoin. More than that, I don't know. But I think we can do another double. So 200k, it's playable. Oh, good morning, Stefan. Good morning. So, in my view, we are exactly where we should be. I don't see why people are exaggerating and saying, well, altcoins are not moving, Bitcoin is high. Yeah, but Bitcoin could push a lot higher. And when Bitcoin will stop pushing, indeed, then altcoins will follow. For the moment, bull market, it's on Solana base, specifically Solana AI coins. You saw what happened this week. We made nice money with Julian calls on Solana. Come on, if you didn't make money on a call where you got a 50x, then I don't know. 50x in 1 day or 2 days. Come on, people. If that's not a bull market, I don't know what a bull market means. Okay, so that's my overview here on weekly. I don't see any reason to panic. I see the reason to even think, well, if we're lucky and we'll get a 70k Bitcoin, then we should be more greedy. Let's hide the crystal ball and let's go on a classic chart here. I could go on daily and see what we have. Well, on daily, people, we play fib ponking. Fib ponk from one side to the other. Simple as that. Short reload zone here, down, back, back up, back down, back up, back down. Now we are in a long reload zone if we're looking here, and we are trying to push back at 100k. I don't get it why some people are saying, well, it's complicated, it's ugly. No, it's a range, it's not complicated. After a nice push to the upside, we need a range. We need to consolidate that levels. Hey, Mercurio. So, overall, 95k for one Bitcoin, I don't think is bad. It's possible to break down with some FUD and test 70k, yeah. But don't imagine that altcoins will get, 90% down. They are already oversold and not too many people left to sell altcoins. So even if it will drop, and they will drop, we'll probably recover a lot stronger and a lot faster than we expect. If you want to help us out with this live stream to have more views, please repost the tweet. It's on general chat on Discord. If you like to do that, please do. So that's Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum, for example. And on Ethereum, we have kind of similar recent price action. AB equals CD played. We managed to get in the short reload zone. Look at the short reload zone and rejection. Now, to be bearish here on Ethereum, I don't think is the best idea. First of all, you don't have a good risk to reward. And second of all, you are in a pump chaser zone overall and a long reload zone if you take this swing low and this swing high. So, daily and lower time frame, I don't think it's a good idea to be short or to think short on Ethereum. On higher time frame, of course, we have a lot of room to recover. Thinking about big AB equals CD, 5K, and I don't think the bull market will stop until Bitcoin, Ethereum will reach 5K at least, or most probably 10K. But that's just my 2 cents about Ethereum. I don't know. Okay, so that's the idea here. AB equals CD, testing the all-time highs and maybe even more. For the moment, we have to focus where we are because we want to play level by level and setup by setup. We are in this long reload zone waiting for a W on 4-hour chart and hopefully we'll make some money. And you can see we are getting some W's here. If you are a swing trader, you should pay attention here. Now, back on daily, let's see what we have on Bitcoin dominance. And not too many things from last time, from last Sunday. We are kind of in the same place. Same place, same scenario is possible, warring scenario. Even red is possible, but I think yellow or orange, call it whatever you want, has more chances. We'll have to wait and see what will happen. Green is out from some time. I think we can aim out and we can push lower. What will happen exactly and how we'll get to 50% or lower, I don't know. But we'll probably get below 50% in this bull cycle. Okay, now Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I said last time about this LJ on daily. Well, we are tagging the trend line. We are back in the long reload zone. We need some W's, but on weekly we are not looking bad for a potential W here. So if we'll reject in this long reload zone and we'll accept above 0037, then we'll form a big weekly W. That will be the bottom probably. We have that yet? No. We have to wait, be patient and wait for a clear W on weekly. That will be our signal that Ethereum will recover against Bitcoin. And weekly charts take a long time to play out. Now, we can look at total market cap on weekly. As I said, I stay behind what I said. A, B, C, D, as long as we are above the old all-time high 3 trillion, we are more than safe. We are okay or okayish. I don't think nothing is changing in my view here. We can even push lower and still make an AB equals CD. So seeing people panicking here above 3 trillion, honestly, my opinion is that's a stupid decision. That's a stupid idea. We are just consolidating that 3 trillion level, charging for higher. Will take time? Of course will take time. So, total 3, another chart. we are fighting 1 trillion. Well, and if we'll accept, and not if, in my view, it's when we'll accept above 1.1, then we have a free road to push higher. AB equals CT is pointing out 1.4, and if you put the highest level here, well, we can go 1.3, 1.97 or 2 trillion, and then 3.3 and so on. And I think we can push a lot higher than the level we have today. So that's my overview, people. Not too many things we can say, new things we can say about the market, the crypto market from last week. We are still kind of in the same position. Love the fact that we are holding some levels. We need to be careful because we have a big event in front of us with Trump. But that's not a singular event. I try to explain in the daily crypto plans. That's not a singular event. Well, Trump inauguration and then sell the news. No, Trump will get in the office. And he said he'll do some things in the first day. And then he'll do some things in the second day. So it's not that simple as usual. Well, buy the rumor, sell the news. Trump, if he wants, could push this market a lot higher. And I think he wants to do that. But maybe I'm wrong. So, that being said, let's go on lower time frame on Bitcoin and see what we have on daily, for example, on the other template. Hey Hania, nice to see you. On lower time frame, daily. On the template we usually trade, you can see here. Now, fake out here, fake outs to the downside. Everyone was bearish here, and I said every time think range, don't think breakout to the downside. Think fake out. Market is ranging 70% of the time at least. So it's more profitable to think fake out and back in the range than to think real breakout. Okay? So, think range from now on. When you see equal highs and equal lows, when you see a dark mole candle like this, imagine that rejecting from some levels, up and down, and that could form a nice range. For the moment here, in my view, we are in an acceptable area to think long. Not the best one. The best one was here at 92, and everyone was panicking, and everyone was anticipating breakdowns. And I mentioned over and over again, think range, don't think breakout. Well, 70K is close. No. Think range, think bounce. Nothing I can do more than that, people. I could tell you what I think, but it's your money, it's your decision, not mine. Okay. You can see Trump inauguration here. That's my answer for the people that think that buy the rumor, sell the news, straight up, straight down. This time is not that simple. Not that it's different. But I think Trump could push the market a bit more higher than everyone expecting. And then if he wants to dump it, or when nobody is left to buy, the market could dump. Because the overall sentiment is bullish. In my view, the big money are trying to get the public in. Not to get sell-offs for the moment. But maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? That's why I'm playing level by level. Now, my chart is saying to think long. And I'll do exactly that. Well, like Stefan said, he longed at 91 and something. Okay, now you are risk-free in all your positions, Stefan. I think that's a good approach. Either you close 50% at 1-to-1, either you moved your stop to scratch. Risk-free, it's risk-free. Okay. So, thinking here sideways or up to retest 100K. if the market will go down, I prefer to take a stop loss than to, because I have the probabilities working for me if I'm thinking range. Ethereum, for example, similar here. Give me a W on 4-hour chart and I'll be more than happy to long again. I'm not talking about scalping or day trading, because Stefan posted, for example, a couple of hours ago, longs on Bitcoin, longs on Ethereum, longs on Tao, longs on TIA, longs on everything. They are risk-free already on VIP. No? I posted on TIA a trade from Friday, if I remember correctly. We are at close to 1-to-1 now. I'm talking daily, 4-hour chart. Maybe people don't want to day trade with us. Not everyone is made to be a day trader. But you can learn to be a swing trader at least. And a good swing trader that knows what he's doing in the market could be really, really profitable. You don't need anything else. So on Ethereum here, if you see a W, clear W on daily, I think it's doable. Look at the 4-hour chart and you can see it's trying to do that. Bitcoin is trying to do the same thing. We talked about Friday in the daily crypto plan, or even more days, about Solana on 4-hour chart. And we said, well, I want Solana to reach this long reload zone and make some W's. People, look at the chart. They are similar with some W's here. The price action here. You like the price action you see here? Well, we took another trade on lower time frame here. And Stefan knows, and people from Premium know, that we took this trade here. But overall, on daily chart, even on daily, I think it's doable. Give me a W here, and I'll be more than happy to take it. Solana, this cycle will probably not stop at 265. No? I think could push to 500, could push a lot higher. So hunting long ideas here in a long reload zone, not bad. Just my 2 cents. If it will fail, well, next bus. But if this one will keep pushing higher, you can trail and you can make a nice risk to reward. Just my 2 cents. Yeah, I know, I noticed that. But that's the normal sentiment, Stefan. The best trades are the hardest ones. So when you see people asking you why you are the sentiment is bearish. Yeah, the sentiment is bearish for the public, but my setups are not bearish. My setups are bullish. So we are playing setups here. We are not beginners. Now, I showed you Solana here. Choose your time frame, 12 hours, daily, 4-hour chart, but I think you have something on Solana. And like I said, I posted an idea. Let me see if I could find that one. I think somewhere in here. That one on 4-hour chart, I posted for everyone on 4-hour chart. Yeah, 4-hour. Okay. Well, that's the trade I posted this week. I posted for everyone. I want the general chat, the people from the free part, to benefit from being a member in Crypto Traders Arena. So, we took this W here, which was a really nice one. And I talked about this level in about TIA in daily crypto plans. And still some people DM'd me and told me, well, I should keep the trade because it's not performing. Well, it's not performing for the moment, but once I enter the trade, either I'll hit my stop loss, either I'll hit some take profit. I'm not fucking around with that trade anymore. Yeah? So, people, learn to trade properly. Learn to swing trade properly. We have the program, and I think we still have 5 places available. Okay, so we have Capo 1, it's a 4-month program. I'll tell you what, the 4 months will pass, either you do the Capo 1 or you don't do the Capo 1. And $1,000 you will spend or you'll lose in 2 or 3 trades in the market. Or you can invest them in Capo 1 and invest in you after all. you will see the market totally different. Okay? If anyone thinks that, well, I don't need couple one, I want to join, I want to learn, but I don't think I need it. Well, go on Discord, DM me, and I'll send you the test I made for couple one people. And if you do more than 90%, honestly, not trying to cheat, then indeed means that you don't need couple one. It's that simple. I didn't increase the price too much, just a little bit. So everyone could afford to take this program. Everyone. At least some people interested in taking the program. I know some of them, they don't have millions of dollars to invest. So that's why the price is still low. I don't need to get rich, not even to sustain myself from a couple one program, or not even Crypto Traders Arena in general. I make my money from trading. So I could afford to keep the price low as long as I want. Okay. That being said, I think I'll talk about some meme coins and what happened today, this week in Crypto Traders Arena, and what we did. And then at the end, we can take some requests. I don't think it's the case to stay more than 1 hour this time. Road to Financial Freedom plan, it's in the same place. We don't have more money to put more orders. We need some shots. After we'll get some shots, we'll start reviewing the coins again. Okay? But for the moment, let's look at just, I don't know, 2 or 3 coins that we posted, or Julian posted in DGen channel. One, and first, the strongest one was this chart. And Julian posted this one here, exactly in the beginning when they start trading after the pump fund. So imagine buying this one here or buying this one here and this W. I did, and I made nice money. Look what happened. In the top, at some point in time, had more than 54x or 60x from the first post here. And you are telling me that we are not in a bull market? Come on. That's a fucking bull market by itself. This chart made a bull run and now is consolidating and charging for the second one. I'm waiting patiently to load more here at 78.6. You know my style. Here in the long reload zone. But I made nice money, me and other people on Crypto Traders Arena, just taking this call. Simple as that. Well, let's say you took it, you have a safe approach. I'll buy 0.1 or 1 Solana and let's see how high it will go. Imagine buying 1 Solana and doing a 50x. Even if you don't have a portfolio, you have a small one, and you'll buy with 0.1. It's still fucking 5 Solana. On call like this could upgrade your account a little bit. Well, Andre, we have Julian posting about it and doing his own diligence. It's a process like everything else. It's not my call, Andre. Wasn't my call. It's Julian call. He took a break couple of months from trading, and now he's joining back, starting fresh, and he has a lot of a lot of oomph. Is trying to recover the time he spent out from the charts, and he's making nice improvements, and he's a good trader already. Yeah, he's one of the gladiators from some years. Exactly the process, well, is his secret. I don't want to to give more. Yeah, so this was one of the calls. Now we can zoom out a little bit on 50-minute chart and wait for a double here. Imagine if we'll put on 4-hour chart. On 4-hour chart is just a pump. This chart could do a lot more, and it's already at 78 million market cap. But keep in mind, 60%, 60 fucking percent from this market cap is locked by the creator. If you will check the contract address on RugCheck, you'll see that 64.3% it's locked. It's in the creator wallet even now. And if that creator didn't sell his 60%, not even one fucking coin, when the market cap was here at 150 million, that means, in my view, that guy is serious, at least partially. That guy doesn't intend to sell. That guy doesn't want the money now. So we don't need exchanges, Greg, for meme coins. We have the Dex Screener, we have Phantom Wallet, one of my favorites. We have Jupiter Exchange where we can buy, we can sell, we can put limit orders on Jupiter Exchange now. So I don't need checks. I could play straight, and usually I'll be honest, I'm playing safe. I'm not scalping in and out. So most of my trading is copying the contract address, go on Phantom Wallet, find the coin and swap it directly with Solana. And that's it, directly from Phantom Wallet. I'm not even looking on Jupiter or something. It's Phantom Wallet business where we'll make the swap. Because I'm not scalping. If you want to scalp, well then you'll see on you can see on the chat we have Rick app, and Rick has a lot attached to it. You can find a lot of platforms where you can trade meme coins. Okay? So I'm trading directly from Phantom because I'm not scalping. If you are scalping, you can use a lot of them. If you are day trading. Okay, so this is one of the examples. The second one, second nice call from I don't know if he managed to post it on Degen, this one, but he definitely sent this one to me here, and I made nice money. Yeah, UST with Trump, nice story, pushing higher. A lot of influencer pushing this one, so I don't trust in this one too much. Probably Julian did the same and saw a lot of influencer posting, so he didn't post it on Degen. Was a pump and will dump. I don't know if we'll recover. But another one posted was this one. Post is. I don't know for sure if this one is the real coin or not. But if you look at the website, wait, they have something behind there. Okay. If the coin is from this site, well, then this one could push a lot higher. I'm not saying to FOMO buy because we don't know. I see the just what you see here. I managed to buy a little bag. I'm holding it. I'll hold it for more. But I'm not, I cannot guarantee that it's a real thing or it's just a scam that they put the links and at some point in time, sooner than later, someone will dump everything down. I didn't even check it, the contract address on RugCheck. Okay? Okay, so we made, look at the posts, look at what we posted on general chat and you'll see. We made some nice money this week on Degen. Actually, because we had NFP this week and was hard to trade. My profit comes from Degen channel. So I have to thank Julian again about his posts. Because I didn't do my own diligence, I just took the calls from Julian with a good risk management. So it's all I did. I respected my risk management plan on Degen, and when I saw a call from Julian, I said, well, let's buy it. Well, let's sell half on a double. Well, this one has something behind it. Let's add at the retracement. Well, let's sell because I think that's it. I just made nice money. Someone asked, well, it's possible to make money. Yeah, if you know the process, if you can respect a good risk management and you can follow your plan, yeah, you can make nice money. But the hype is now on AI coins. Maybe next week nobody will buy meme coins on Solana. So I cannot guarantee you, well, join and you'll make money. No. And someone else said, well, we can keep a journal. And I think Julian resolved that problem showing you a chart. He bought in one coin 10 times and sell 10 times in, I don't know, in 1 hour. You cannot keep a clear journal on that. You can make an average, you can make a resume, you can look at your platform and say, well, I'm profitable, I made so much profit with this coin. But logging so many trades will take too much time and you don't have time to buy and sell. No? Okay. So, degen calls are for premium members. VIP have access also on degen calls, but you have to be a premium member, at least. The subscription is so cheap that I think anyone could afford to pay $450 for 1 year. I think that's the best we can do. And you can take a smaller subscription if you don't want to spend $450. But one call like this one could make all the money and even more. Okay, that being said, let's take some requests. Let's see what people want me to look at. And let's see. We have any requests yet? DYDX. Well, I think we talked about DYDX on higher time frame. I posted this one even on come on, people. It's a good level to start dollar cost averaging. Let's put a weekly chart. What do you think? It's a good idea to have a bag of DYDX at this price? Looking at the volume profile? Look at the potential. I think we talked too many times. And look where we are in this fucking moment. You don't have to wait. Weekly, big weekly W. Could push lower, okay, yeah. Could stay here for some months, yeah. But overall, you are just retesting the big weekly W. And you can see, buy with little old lady or dollar cost averaging. Exactly at that level. So I think more than okay to hold it. How much will perform and if will perform, I could guarantee will not go to zero tomorrow. No, not my job. It's your job to make a plan, to use a proper risk management, and don't exceed the risk on any trade. That's your job. If you don't know how to do it, I'll send you here. Join Capo 1 and you'll learn. Okay, let's go back on DYDX. So, my answer, in my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, is yeah, for me it's buyable. I even bought and I have a full position now. I'm not allowed to buy more. I could tell you what I do with my own money, not what to do with your own money. Now, CRV. Let's take a look at CRV. They are the same coins, people. We talked about them multiple times. And unfortunately on CRV, let's zoom out first. Overall, not a bad area at 84 cents. But if I zoom in, it's impossible for me to buy it here. It's just impossible. I have a bag, but you can see where the long reload zone is. I'm not allowed to chase there in the top. That's a weekly W there. That's a neckline in the long reload zone. So the best I can do is kind of 40 cents, not 80 cents. So at the half of the price, I could buy some. There, no. If you have a bag, don't sell it, because that's not the top. Just my 2 cents. Well, if you remember, Stefan, when we bought, someone, I don't know, you know that someone who said that CRV is a stable coin was making fun of me of buying CRV. I don't know. If you know, please type in the chat. Who's the guy who said that CRV is a stable coin? Why we are buying that one? Please tell me. If you know the guy. If you don't know the guy, don't tell me. Okay. Let's take the last one. Well, Catalin knows, seems like. Okay. CRV, no, we have to wait lower. The next one, Popcat. Well, first of all, Popcat, it's a meme coin. Popcat did a lot of things. But focusing on Popcat as an investor on weekly chart, that's the best decision. Okay, let's take a look at Popcat. Popcat. We don't have Popcat on... We discussed this one. On weekly chart, no weekly W. On daily chart, no daily W. Let it go to 0. No, I'm joking. It's touching some support. If you'll see daily and weekly W's, you can start buying. But this was some hype. Then dumped. People, we on Crypto Traders Arena, we bought Popcat in the first bull run on meme coins on Solana. I bought Solzilla and I made some nice money, me and other people. And then, if I remember correctly, the first one to post this one was Kevin, and we made nice money with Popcat also. A lot lower. Now, I don't know if deserves our attention. Honestly, I don't know. Because reached a potential here of $2, now it's at 57 cents. Why the fuck I should invest in this one with a 4x to the top when I could invest in something that will give me at least a 10x? I don't have a problem if you invest, but in my view, not ready yet to buy it and not enough potential. Could pump, could do nice things, okay, but without me. I'm personally not buying this one here. It's not ready yet, no weekly W, not even on daily. And second of all, you can see, we touched $2 and you can get a risk-free position, okay, it's buyable. But why I should put my money there where I can put it in something stronger or with a better risk to reward? Just my 2 cents, people. I'm not saying you should not buy it. Or this one could not do 100x or more. It can. But in my 2 cents, I'm not touching it. I made my money on it. Okay. So that's Popcat. Not ready yet to buy it. You need to see sideways. You need to see consolidation here. And then we can discuss about that. Let's take a look at Rune. I see another request. Let's zoom out. Let's clear a little bit. Well, you can see now it's clean. Let's put the volume profile. Do you see where the POC is? That's your buying area. That's your buying area. I don't see a clear weekly W. I don't see anything special to tell me, well, let's buy it here. On weekly. But I see some support here. If I'm looking at the profile, I see the hole here. So we still need more to trade here. So kind of $2. Now let's hide this one. Let's do something else. High, low. You are in the long reload zone. You should wait for a W. If the W will come here at 78.6, okay. But I think the W this time will come around 88.6. Look at the confluences here. So in this area, you can wait for the next double, you can buy it. On weekly chart, we kind of had a double here in 2024, but nothing clear. I want to see a range in a clear small W. So no, I don't think it's ready. The next W, weekly W, could be something. If you want a trade, for example, and you go on daily, well, then you can say, well, this is a swing low, this is a swing high. I have a good location, give me a W here and I could play a setup. But only a setup. If that stop loss will be hit, get the fuck out and wait lower. It's simple as that. So it's that simple in my view. If you want to invest, keep it even more simple. Wait for a weekly W here or lower. If you want to, don't even think about anything else, just put a limit order at 88.6 and hope for the best. It's that simple. I hope that helps you just a little bit nudge, or I don't know, nudge. It's hard for me to say. I'm a Romanian guy and it's hard for me to spell some names. Yeah? So if the market will come here in this area and make a W, why not? Some potential. We still have some. We had $11. If you'll buy at 2 or lower, maybe $2 to $12 or $10, you still have a 5x there. So I don't see why not. But I don't see a setup, and I don't see. Only thing I can see here, some consolidation, breakout above $2, and now market needs to retest that level. Well, I'm not saying if you are doing dollar cost averaging, Andre, is not okay. It's okay. I'm not saying that. But because we have so many options now, I want to be more exigent with my calls now. We are not in the beginning of the consolidation. We are not in, we don't have too much time to think about. Now it's the end of the consolidation. Exponential phase is pretty close, and I want to maximize my profit. So I'll take as many confluence as possible. If you invest here and you have in your plan that you should dollar cost average below 61.8, why not? But my opinion, this is the level you should pay attention, $2. Okay, let's see AIXBT. Let's see, what is that? Perpetual, we have a spot. Ugh. Catalin, what the fuck you want me to take a look at this one? AIX. Let's try. What do you want me to tell you about this one? Tell me about AIXB. Okay, BT. Sorry about the noise, but it's from my window. Let's see. Maxi maybe? I'll try Maxi. A bit better, but no. I don't have enough history here, Catalin. It's very new, yeah, I know. Seems like it's new. Let's zoom in a little bit, because on weekly nothing I can do. Well, on daily, the best thing I can do here, Catalin, and you should know that. Okay, the best thing I can do here is take this swing low, this swing high. I could see here some volume. Yeah? I could see some volume. I could see the POC. You can see this is the biggest volume, but you look at this one. This is full. If the market will come back down here and will make a W, yeah, why not? Okay, so the best I can do is stay on daily, wait in the long reload zone for a 3-step setup or a general setup. As an investor, you have to do your own diligence, and and do more. Look at the community, look at the market cap, look at how many coins are in the market, how many coins they will dump in the next year, what they are doing. There are a lot of things you can do on the fundamental analysis. See if you decide to invest in them. It's your decision. For a trade, okay, you can make a double even with one trade. For example, if you'll take the trade, it will be a winning trade. You just keep the coins as a profit. So you keep the profit as coins. If you are trading on futures, you take that profit and you buy physical coins, or you buy on spot. You can do a lot of things if you want and you believe in the project, even if you don't have enough data. If you want to dollar cost average a little bit on a coin like this, it's up to you. But I think below 30 cents, it's okay. And you had, if you paid attention before, you had this W, you had this W, breakout and retest. We had some opportunities to buy this one. Honestly, it's the first time I see this one. Or I don't remember to even look at this coin. And you buy a coin like this not because of the best thing ever. You buy a coin like this in the dip, so in the long reload zone or below, and you are praying and hoping to be listed on bigger exchanges. But I saw this one is already on Binance. So what you can hope from now on? From now on, you can hope they have a strong community, they have a good project, and they will do something. They will really have to start doing something. Because the hype, well, they are listed already on Binance. So they need something behind them to push back up. Okay? Because now everything is about AI agents and everything is about AI. You saw that. Every shitcoin has the same. But yeah, it's a nice strategy, and it's nice that it's pumping. But at some point, they'll have to change it because it will not work anymore. And they'll go on NFTs and say, well, it's a new kind of NFT. And then we'll go on games. Well, it's a good game on chain and so on. It's just a narrative, in my view, with the AI. And we had a lot of narratives in crypto. People are saying, well, no, this time is different. The AI agents is not just a narrative. It's not the hype for the moment. No, it's something different. Will change the world. Okay. I'm not saying on the long run could not change some things. Of course it can. Could be the future. An ugly one, but indeed, could be the future. But you think we'll go straight up and never have a big correction? This is my 2 cents, people. I'm just a stupid trader blabbing away on a YouTube channel. So do your own diligence. If you want to trade like me, I could teach you that. But nothing I can do more. Okay, let's see another one. What is a general setup? No, you can learn the general setup on Crypto Traders Arena. Or you can go on Brian Beamish on TRI, Greg. You can go on TRI and ask Brian about 3-step setup. It's a similar one. We have slightly different rules, yeah, but kind of the same. So if you know the 3-step setup, you'll understand the general setup. So either you go on Brian Beamish, where I learned to trade long time ago, 2018, 2019, or you join us on Crypto Traders Arena. On premium part, I think we have even a template in the setups. If you want to go deeper, Capo one, that's for sure. Trying to explain you here what a general setup is, I did it multiple times. But it's not so easy to learn it. You can understand technically, well, you have an idea about the setup, but to execute the setup in the market, nah. Not that simple, people. There are a lot of concepts behind behind the setup so I could explain in a live stream like this. Yep, we are using a slightly different shark. We are using shark as simple as that. We are taking 78.6 and stop loss at 100%, Andre. That's our shark setup, and we are playing that. And it's one of the most profitable setups we have. Abdullah is using that. Some Capua One from this term, they love shark setup, and I looked at their journal because in the practical part we are reviewing trades, and his journal is looking. He made in the practical part, his statistics look like this: on 69 trades, has 10% profit. For a guy who is trying to learn how to trade, that's fucking good result. I think everyone here will be happy to make 10% on 60 trades profit as a trader. And that guy is using Mountain Man and Shark as blind setups. But he's damn consistent about it, and he's trying to master the setups and get better and better. And I could see him doing great things in the future. Okay. Well, people, let's take one or two more requests, and then we can call it a live stream. There are not too many things we can say. Everyone is waiting for Trump inauguration, and let's see what will happen next. ATR, well, ATR, it's a coin here. No, I see something on Max, on daily, weekly chart. Ugh. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out on weekly because that's the best thing we can do. On weekly chart, you can see what I see. I think people with experience know what I'll say. The big volume, unfortunately, is all the way down here. That's not the best sign. The volume, the OBV is not following the price action. That's not a good sign. But if you put the technicals and you put the location tools, I put a fib, for example here, you can see an altcoin reload zone is actually starting from 78.6. And you have some confluences here. Here in this area you have some confluences. Weekly W, big wide weekly W, and another smaller one here. This is the neckline of both of them. A retest of that level could be an entry, could be something. But any W at that level or below, I think it's a good opportunity to buy. Again, I don't know anything fundamental about this coin. I don't know if it's solving something, it's a meme coin, or it's just a slow rug. I don't know. A member of Crypto Traders Arena? That's even better. That's even better, Greg. If you are a member of Crypto Traders Arena, look at setups, look at all the channels, study the channels. I know a lot of people on premium membership, for example, that they never study all the channels we have there, and all the documents and all the videos. And after years of membership, I have to send them links. Well, look at that channel. You have a document there. You have a journal there. You have a video there. Yeah, but... So there are a lot of things posted in premium. Same for the VIP. VIP people, take advantage because as a VIP, you have access on everything. You have access on premium. You have access on VIP. So go and study the documents. Maybe you'll learn something. Go and copy the logging journal, for example. That could be something. You have access on Last Chance Challenge. You have access on everything on this server. So please take advantage. If you ask me where I should find, for example, a Shark setup, I understand then that you never watch the channels. You never... dig in the channels to see what we have on Crypto Traders Arena. And my first impression will be that you are fucking lazy. Sorry, I will be honest. Is that my first impression? I will judge you about with that mentality? No, I'll give you the presumption that maybe was a mistake. When I'm joining a new site, when I'm joining a new platform, when I'm joining a new server, I'm looking everywhere to see what they have. That's why I joined, because I sense that it's some value there. So I'll dig for the value. It's that simple. Okay, so here let's go back on what we started to do. From this level lower, I think it's a good area. If you think it's the best thing ever, or below 7.8.6, I think you can start dollar cost average. You don't want to overcomplicate, okay. But again, I don't know anything about this project. Well, Andre, I know that, you know that, a lot of people know that, but some people don't know that. You can, I don't know if you can be lazy. But you have to be damn consistent in your laziness. So you have to follow your plan, you have to journal. Maybe you can say, well, I'm lazy, I'm not doing anything else. But you have to be damn consistent in what you have to do, the necessary things, the process. You can be lazy on doing extra. But if you are lazy in general, well, I don't know. Well, I still pick on you, Stefan, from time to time to keep you honest. Sorry, I know it's not easy for you, but I never said, Stefan, that will be easy. I said that I'll help you become a trader and I'll help you make money in this market. I never said it's easy. I never even said you'll have to like it or you have to like me. Honestly, I don't care if you like me or you hate me or you hate. If you stay here and you want to make money, you'll have to advance and you have to be better and better. No? So sometimes I feel that if you want to punch me, but I don't care about that. We are here to find solutions. We are here to make money. We are here to do something nice, not to cry on each other's shoulder and I don't know. You get the idea. Okay, now let's see another request if we have. No? Well, I'll go back on talking about this list, weekly W's. All the premium members or VIP members have access on this list. It's not something special, but you have access and you can see my levels. All of them that they have green, I have a fill on them. So I bought weekly W's in each and every one of these coins here. And it's a consistent list. For example, this one. Well, I bought this level. It's a bit higher, but it's still buyable, no? I'll not go on the entire list. I'll just pick some examples because we already have 1 hour of live stream. But you can see, good level to buy. I could come here, people. I could come here and tell you about this coin and blab away about why will work or why will not work because Trump, because politics. Or I could say, well, I bought at this level. It's up to you. We share some plans with you in Crypto Traders Arena. You can use a template. Some people put a lot of time and effort to make that spreadsheet look exactly as it should look. And it's there for free for you to copy and take some even an example of a plan, and you can choose your coins. If you want to succeed, you will. Okay, so look at this one, similar level. And remember, people, when the market, for example, was here at 40 cents, and I said, well, I'll wait at the retest of the weekly W. Just remember that people said, well, Paul is stupid. The market will go up, will not retrace all the way down there. Well, look at me. Stupid but lucky. Again, I bought this level. Simple as that. I don't like to think too much. I want to execute properly. Similar with this one. You don't want to invest because it'll go to zero. Don't touch it. Take the next one. Look at the next one. Big weekly W, big pump and dump, and it's back at 88.6 almost. A lot lower than where I bought. Take it or leave it. Similar here. Look at this consolidation here. W, W, W. Breakout retest. To be safe, I played this level. Now we are, I don't know, 20% lower. Nobody wants to buy it now because, yeah, the economic situation is bad and this time is different. Okay. But the same people that they are thinking and they are reacting with that idea will come here and will ask me what to buy at 30 cents. The same ones. Look at this one. All of them with green. Yeah, I have a feel on them. Just look at that. For example, this one, look at it. Touch my level and bounced. So people, what we are teaching here on Crypto Traders Arena is working. I didn't reinvent the wheel. I say almost every live stream that I learned from Brian Beamish. I learned from Brian Beamish the process. I learned a lot of things from him. I worked continuously from then and I made my own style of trading. But I didn't reinvent the fib or the long reload zone or the weekly W or the volume profile. No. But what I'm doing is working for me. It's that simple. That's why I have that sensation, or I think I'm entitled to come here and tell you what I'm doing. Not what you should do, but what I'm doing. If some people decide that they want to follow, well, that's a different problem. Look at Manta. I'm patiently, people, I'll say again, patiently waiting for a weekly W retest. And if I'll get a feel, some people say, well, motherfucker is lucky again. And I'll probably think the same, but doesn't matter. The order is in the market. It's all that matters. What I'm thinking from now on until the feel doesn't matter. Will not help the trade, will not do anything. Well, doesn't matter if you are stupid or not, Greg. If you have a good plan and you respect the plan, it's all that matters. Will not, the intelligence here will not help you or will not do anything. The most important thing to have the base so you can respect the plan. Yeah, you need some intelligence, you need some statistics, you need a good mind and to make the plan. But after you made the plan, you decided what you want to do. You don't need to think anymore. That's the great thing about deciding. I decided that from now on, I don't know, I will not smoke. I don't need to think about if I will smoke or not. I decided already. Now I have to just don't put that cigarette in my mouth. It's that simple. If I can do it or I can't do it, well, that's a different fucking problem. But if I decided why I should think, what it's to think about, just execute. Simple as that. Okay, the list is on investment channel on premium. You can access it and you can see my levels. Yeah. As a disclaimer, I could tell you that all my bags are almost full. So I have a different problem. I don't have more room to buy. Either I'm at my max percentage allocation, either I decided not to buy anymore. I have some small rooms to... So on the investment, I'm getting at the max capacity. The only thing I can do, and I'll do that only if a black swan event will happen, I could go and touch my reserves. And that, let's say, everything will dump all the way down. For example, mana will dump all the way down here at 10 cents. Well, if mana will reach 10 cents, I'll go on my reserves, I'll take some money, I'll buy some mana, I'll sell half on a double, put my money from my reserves back, and I have a free position, I have free coins. So I'm so deep and I'm so bullish that I'm almost full, according to my plan, but I'm bluffing away more than 1 year. Well, 2024 is buy the dip. Well, I bought the dip, I sold the top, I sold a half on a double, I reloaded. Honestly, I'm waiting for Road to Financial Freedom to give me some W so I could reload. I don't have access on there to do anything. So people, if you want to learn how to trade, I think $1,100 is not cheap. It's almost free. To stay 4 months and hear my, try to work with me. First of all, see if you can stand with me for 4 months. I'm pretty difficult to work with. In the idea that if you say something, you have to do it. I'll try to keep you responsible. Sorry, but that's the requirement. And I'll be honest, this cycle, this program, a lot of people that made Capo 1 didn't do too much to learn. I did my best, but probably because it's bull market and people are making easy money, they don't want to pay attention too much. It's a mistake. I told them that, but it's up to them. In the same time, I had a couple of people really consistent. They did their job. They made all they can do to become profitable. And like I told you, to see a guy who is learning to trade, to swing trade, in $100 challenge to be, to respect the setup and be 10, 11% up, percentage-wise on his trading portfolio, well, I know influencers or traders that they cannot make 10% in their fucking life trading correctly. So, it's up to you. Well, if we don't have more requests, let's wrap it up and let's call it a live stream. We'll be here next Sunday and next Sunday and next Sunday and so on until the top and maybe after that. I promised you when I did this this server and this community that I'll be here until the end of the bull market. And I'm keeping my word. The community will work even further after that. But I promised you I'll be here day in, day out until the top. Yeah? And now I'm keeping my promise. The rest is up to you people. I'll do my best, and I'm doing my best from more than 2 years now. Stefan, Miku, people who know me from the beginning of Crypto Traders Arena, they know that we start really small, 10, 12 people. And we got to a nice community. And we have good results because we are consistent and we played every fucking day. So, let's not blab away too much. Our time is important. My time, your time. So, my view about the live stream is that if we don't have tons of requests, we should close at 1 hour. No point to... There are a lot of things to say, but at the same time, we can stay here for hours and hours and actually don't resolve. Just debate certain things, but that is not resolving problems. If you don't have a plan, make a plan. If you don't have a master plan, start with that. If you want to learn more about yourself, do the master plan by yourself. Retreat yourself 1 or 2 days if it's possible. Only you and a notebook. You'll find some things about you and you'll learn to do, and you'll do your master plan. And after that, you know what you want to do in next 10 years. It's a start. And from that point, you have a lot of things to do, but you know where you want to go. Not where you think you can go, where you want to go. It's a big fucking difference. It's beginning of the year, it's January, so I think it's a good moment to remind you to do the planning part. And everyone here, every human being should have a master plan. If you don't have it, someone else has a plan for you. That's for sure. Okay. See you guys tomorrow morning with the daily crypto plan. If you want to join DGen, you have to be a premium member at least. If you want to join Capwa 1, we still have 5 places available. We'll start in February. Yeah, we have enough people to start, so in beginning of February, we'll start the new program. I don't know if I'll do another one this year. I don't know if I'll do it so cheap, so take advantage if you want. If you don't want, don't do it. Okay, people, let's wrap it up. See you next time. Bye-bye.